Here are some simple movements to get our upper body moving from a seated position. First of all, simply take a nice big stretch, reaching up as you might do in the morning. Maybe start to rotate your wrists, move your arms around, give them a gentle shake. Start to move your shoulders, gently rolling them backwards, lifting them up, drawing them back and rolling them down. You can do them both together or one at a time, whatever feels better for you. Roll them forwards as well. And then gently sway from side to side, starting to bring some movement into your spine. And then start to circle your upper body around, arching your back as you come back, lifting your chest as you circle forward. You can imagine a center point in your body. Imagine you're drawing a circle with that center point. Try to make your movement nice and fluid and easy. Imagine water flowing and try to move in that way. Nice and gentle. Noticing sensations in your body as you move. Noticing any areas that you would like to invite to release, to soften. Being aware of your breath. Take time to just sit and notice the feeling of having moved in your body.